Hey, not sure how well this will turn out. Fuck that camera. But we're almost there and we're finally running into some dune traffic. This big ass truck in front of us. Yee baby! Oh, look at that tow truck. Don't know how much you can see. Man, oh man, this is gonna be fun. Well, you can see by all the sand up here and everywhere, Gordy just making it up to the top. And I don't know if you can tell, they're foggy. The heater core line blew off again, and I lost most of my coolant. Good thing I carry extra. But we're having fun. Just wait till you see the front of this thing. So, if you're watching this is my boost gauge. This is RPMs. This is GPS speedo. This is fuel pressure at the rail. This one is coolant temperature. What else would be? That's how much load is on the engine. I doubt you can see that one. This is what the truck MPG, or no, miles per hour is. That one. They're off because of the bigger tires. I just seem to have a few problems with this hill. Just had a little bit of trauma response from blowing off my hose last time. I think I'm gonna have to hit that bottom part a little hard, like I did, just to get up there with enough speed.
Kind of like that. Alright, not bad.
Is this a microphone?
Yeah, but it's not hooked up. It doesn't connect properly to that phone.
So let's take a ride, man. We're driving.
Okay.
Oh man.
There's definitely some extra weight in this truck.
Right, yeah. Even with those two, I can tell the difference.
That stuff is softened up good, boy.
Yeah.
It's soft.
I'm like
Well,
110
very
pounds
delicious.
slow. You're like, I'm just kidding, babe.
My truck is so heavy.
Ooh.
Huh?
Yeah, once you get that wrong bounce.
Yeah.
I was just kidding, right? You're a man. You're supposed to be heavier.
I don't like the angle. Oh. Oh, someone will have fun with that later.
Oh yeah, dude. Somebody's gonna hit that.
Oh, shit.
They're just gonna stop it dead in their tracks.
Damn.
Fucking this hill up.
Yes, dude. You just made
Well,
like
I mean,
a
you
2.5
can see it
foot
from a
deep
mile
run.
away, so they should just know not to go there.
540s would be going right up. Right, so need more power.
Hit a fresh spot right there. Right to that white Jeep. To the left, to the right, left to the white Jeep. Yeah.
Nice Jeep.
Front bumper that's too low in the front.
You gotta lean forward.
You felt it catch you, right? That bumper caught us.
They just did it again too.
Oh man.
You gotta lean forward, babe.
Well, that's what's happening. We're losing a lot of momentum when that front end hits when it gets too steep right there.
I don't hit hammer down until then anyways. Got this.
That all connected to the computer in the truck?
Yeah.
That's sick. So it's got a tune in it?
Oh, damn. That's
Possibly.
pretty sweet.
I don't know.
Should put one in it. These things make a lot of power.
I know I was
Tune.
gonna
Yeah,
get those chips.
changes
You know, that you plug
shift
in.
points, changes your everything.
To what you want to.
Yeah, you kind of just, yeah, it'll change like the amount of fuel, everything.
That's a little
Make
dangerous
it more
for me.
efficient.
Yeah, unless you know what you're doing.
I would
Like
blow my truck up.
you want to get tunes, but you want to get tunes made by people that know how to make tunes. My buddy had a Dodge on 40s, and then he had 44s on it. That front end hit, man, that's what kills us every time.
Oh.
Don't worry, that's just a bumper.
I know. This fucking sucks though, because it's taking all our momentum. We'd make it no problem with if we were a little bit higher in the front.
I
That's why
like your
wish I
nail
had
polish.
40s. Thank you.
Good job.
Fucker was there.
We were there. You get that bounce, man.
Yeah.
It's not. It's
Damn.
like there's this.
Go where the Jeep is.
Look at the Hummer over there.
Damn.
No, not today, heavy
That thing's a
motherfucker.
fucking beast.
Hummers are turds.
I hate
Yeah, dude.
Hummers. I don't like them. They're so big and
Hummers are
boxy and,
turds. They're turds.
like bougie. I don't like them.
It's also getting stuck in my rugs.
Yeah, that too.
Everybody is.
Dude, that Hummers are turds. Look at his ground clearance. What is it, 8 inches to the step
I
size?
feel like those tires are not big enough for that.
8 inches on a step. Julie, my mom's friend, she's got a badass white one. If you ever seen a white Hummer out here lifted up on like 37s,
Dang.
hers is badass.
Ready?
Yeah, we'll make
It's not
it.
even the good one either. I don't like them at all.
Every time.
We're not gonna make it here.
Completely different
Not with
spot.
that. That's too steep right there. We hit the front end too hard.
Really low
Nothing
guy.
at all.
Man, so
Definitely have fun with that.
Hey, let's go jump back in yours.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can make it
Let's go right
through
up
that
there.
spot.
I feel so bad for you, Jack.
I feel bad for the people that hit the spots that he just.
It's amazing how different it is.
This is so amazing.
Just gotta load a bunch of shit here the next time, bro.
Oh my god.
All right. So, results from the dunes. This tire went flat once we got home overnight. This one is still flat. Sand in the bead all over the place. I have a plan because there's space in here. We'll go something like that. I don't know. You can kind of see how much space there is there. We got the hose. We're gonna do that to this baby and that one. So much sand. Gonna get this off. We didn't use it. It's cold and gross. This thing's kind of heavy too. And I don't have a way to mount it. But this worked great. I was able to splash through some puddles pretty darn hard. Not kill the air filter like I used to. Control arm worked great. This tire worked great. This one was leaking. Actually, you can see the lines. Seems to be good now. We did pump it up to 60, so who knows what it's at right now. This one's good. Let's see. You can see that leaf spring. It is arching the wrong direction now. We've beat on this thing too hard. They're supposed to be a U shape, like that, not go up and do a reverse U. So I gotta figure that out one of these days. Let's look in here. Quite a bit of sand, but that's the worst, holy moly. And I lost the driver's side floor mat somewhere. Oops. Oh well. Yeah. So I'm gonna work on this. It's kind of cold. You can tell if I'm breathing. I should not be breathing this hard right now. But that's okay. I'll get this done and get back to you. Alright. To conclude this video, still got that on there because I'm lazy. I'm wet. Really cold. That water's cold, but we cleaned up. Not the best. You can see there's still sand here. But, you know, we got most of the sand off the bed. This will have to go into the toolbox. Good. Oh, this one, I don't know. I soaked it up, everything. I don't see any bubbles, so I'm not sure what happened. We'll find out. This tire, you can see there's water. I do hear a leak somewhere. Must be on the backside, but there was bubbles coming all over the rim. Which does make sense because this one went flat and I drove on it. This tire's fine and that tire's fine. So yeah. We may fuck around with this one, but I'm gonna call it here. The dunes was fun. It's what I needed right now. Learned a lot. Yeah. We brought a lot of sand home this time. Joey out. Peace.